Making affirmations part of your success routine. Some people pass off affirmations as nonsense. These people believe that saying positive statements about yourself will have no effect on your success. Often these same people are ones stuck in a rut and wonder why they can't get ahead in life. Affirmations work because they change the foundations of how you think. You do have to believe in affirmations for them to work, however. If you're skeptical and you just start repeating positive statements because somebody else told you it works, this may not get you far. Although just the act of saying them can alter your brain patterns to take on more positive thinking. It does take practice and consistency. Don't expect to say a few positive statements for one day and then expect to be transformed a few weeks later. The brain doesn't work that way. Besides, we've had a lifetime of negativity permeate our conscience, so that it's going to take a lot more than a few sessions to break through. Being skeptical will make it difficult to consistently use affirmations. This is especially true since they won't start working until you've been practicing them for a while. In our society of expectations for instant gratification, it's simply easier to give up. Start off your affirmations with simple statements. You could try, "I deserve living a good life," or you could make it even simpler by stating, "I'm successful." Sometimes projecting what you want and acting as if it's already happening can become a self-fulfilling prophecy. If you say you're successful, you'll become successful by continually repeating this affirmation. If nothing else, ask yourself, what can you lose? If it works, you have something you desire, a better life, etc. If it doesn't, then you can continue living your life as you always had. But do give it a try, and don't give up too soon. People find setting up a schedule for their affirmations works well for them. You'll have to experiment to see if that works for you. There's no right or wrong answer. Sometimes the hardest part is just getting started. Pick 2 affirmations and use them for 30 days. Evaluate whether you feel different after consistently using these. If you still feel as though you haven't changed, pick different affirmations for the next 30 days. Keep doing this until you feel positive changes are happening with your thoughts.